Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Prophet Oguntuga Sunday Adilaja. I'm from Foundation of Christ Covenant Assembly, situated in Ikorodu, Nigeria, West Africa, precisely.
How long have you been in the ministries?
Oh, I've been in the ministry for the past 20 years now, and it's been a wonderful journey. We thank God for that grace.
How long have you been in America?
Yeah, this is my 5th week in America now. When I came in 27th of November 2014. Immediately I landed in Ohio airport. I went to Milwaukee, and there I spent about 3 weeks before I moved down to Chicago here. And the ministry has been a wonderful one. So,
how many churches have you been ministering in your stay?
You mean when I came in? Yes, I ministered at Heaven's Gate International Ministry. That one is in Milwaukee for about 3 Sundays and about 3 Fridays thereafter. Then there's one ministry to Right Hand Ministry in Milwaukee there too. I ministered there about 2 times on Thursdays. Then there's a place I went to, Global Vision. I had been there once, but I'll be going there again before I return back to Nigeria. That is the first Sunday in the month of January 2015. I'll be ministering live on their first Sunday in the year 2015. The church recently had their 10th years anniversary, and I thank God that I participated in the program there. It was a wonderful moment with me, with my friend Apostle Kako, Apostle and Apostle Mrs. Kako. They are wonderful men of God, and it's been a wonderful experience.
What's your itinerary for your stay here?
Oh, for my stay there, I decided to stay for 6 weeks in America, being my introductory aspect, just so that I could get myself connected to reliable men of God, credible men of God, men with integrity. And I thank God so far. Since I moved into Chicago here, it has been a wonderful moment too. I've met with the pastor of Christ Proclamation Ministry. He's a wonderful man of God, full of anointing. Just like today now I ministered there. It was an awesome moment. And I really thank God too for my younger sister, Shola Adejumoke. It's been a wonderful one. She has been the one taking me here and there, and it's been a wonderful experience. Here in Milwaukee and in Chicago. It's a very great moment. I'm grateful to that.
What are your general views on America and the Americans?
Oh, America, very lovely people. Basically, America is not meant for the lazy people. It's a place of activities. What I noticed that America, for you to be in America to survive, you have to be a very strong person, a hardworking, and it is not meant for a lazy. Men and women, you have to be on your toes to succeed in America, because one, you have bills to pay, you have some other things. So generally, America is not made place for a varieties for the party goers. It's meant for people who are industrious, who are hardworking. If you are very strong in America, work-wise, you will succeed. If you are the lazy type, fine. You know there's no way for you in America. And more importantly, America is a very tailored country, very tailored, everything well detailed, well timing. I could remember immediately I landed at the airport. I wanted to move to Milwaukee. I was timed the time the U.S. coach will arrive. They say in about 15 minutes. Just on that time, another one came in. They say in about 17 minutes, another one will arrive, and just everything was so detailed. And more importantly, I've been to downtown when I moved to Chicago here. Oh, I love the place. Very pleasant, very beautiful. And I know a very right thinking man or woman would love to be here. It's been a wonderful experience. And more or less, let me tell you, my sister Tino, do you know that if at all there is a grace for somebody to come on this earth and the person has not been to America, the person has not really arrived, I tell you. Because of what I saw on ground, it's been a very beautiful one. When we went to the downtown, I saw so many amusement area. We are in very beautiful places, everywhere well tailored out. So I'm really happy that I actually came to America. So
when are you planning on coming to the States again?
Oh, with all this wonderful program on ground now, well, by April or May, I should be in America again, because I have some churches that have already set up a program for me. Before I leave now, there are about 2 churches where I'm going to minister. I have Right Hand Ministry. I'll be doing revival there. And I told you earlier on about the Global Vision, in which I'm going to minister on the first Sunday. And immediately I finish, that same week, I have a program with a joint program of being organized by the All African Pastors in Milwaukee. They are doing a revival together. And just about a few minutes ago, they are just confirming that appointment. I'm going to minister to them for some few minutes, just for them to feel me. And I believe by the time I minister to them, they will know the kind of material I have. So subsequently, it's going to open up an idea for me. And apart from that too, the church I came here came to inaugurate, I'm talking about Heaven's Gate International Churches. They will be doing their program by next year. And by the grace of God, according to my friend, my pastors, he said I'm still going to be around to come and minister in that convention. And I've made some other arrangements here and there. And we couple with all the activities of the ministry we came in contact with, Shekinah Glory. It's going to be a wonderful moment. And my meeting with that woman has been a very pleasant one. And I believe it's going to be very fruitful. So my coming in and out is going to be more often in America and beyond too. About 3 days ago, I received an invitation. I'll be going to the Houston in next year, August, to come and minister at that convention too. I just confirmed that some few minutes ago. So my coming in and out is going to be more frequent. But I don't have plans to come and stay here in America.